thought today we will try something a little bit different. I decided I wanted to play around with the slow-mo in my camera. So this is what you are watching. I figure also this is a perfect time to give you a up and close personal view of my hang knots that I put in on my color ends. So I figure slow-mo will be an interesting way of viewing them. So you get a really close look at the hanging knots, which actually came out pretty nicely. You can tell that some edges and parts that it's probably time to color them again. I have my two really long locks, which I find interesting. Other people might say, oh, they look weird hanging, but I like them. And it also gives me an interesting bob. I still got to get used to be able to walk around with my hair down and feel comfortable with my hair down. But I'm still getting used to that part too. But I thought this was a good view and something interesting to see. So I'm going to let you listen to some music as you watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back. Talk to you later, and I hope you enjoy. Subscribe. So fam, did you enjoy the music? I hope you did. So we're continuing on and watching the slow-mo. I don't know why slow-mo make you want to actually talk slow. Anywho, I'm back to rambling on. But this gives you a great view of my hair on all the knots, and when you look at it, I actually still have pretty amount of color there, which is good, because if it's like, oh, I'm losing my color. Now my bun, which I discovered, and I'll probably put a little snippets of pictures. My bun is I can't get my bun as tight as I used to, with my hair being a little bit shorter now, which you can notice some of the length of is now gone, which I do like, because it's getting into summer and it's going to be hot, and most of the time I'm wearing my hair up anyway, so even when it's down it'll be pretty cool. So I'm just noticing I'm going to have to figure out my new bun, and I'll probably, when I do figure that out, I'll probably put a little snapshots of some of the pictures of me trying new styles out with this new length. So, but I thought you would enjoy. So fam, like, subscribe, share my videos. I'm enjoying making them. I'm hoping you're enjoying watching them. I hope this inspires someone to, maybe they might want locks and wasn't sure if they can pull it off, or if they were being confident or not. Go for it. Do whatever. Color your hair if that's what you want to do, because I'm going to keep coloring my hair. Even though mine's come off like a red or auburn, believe it or not, it's fuchsia. But I have used so many colors in my hair that people always say, oh, you got red. No, I always have to correct people and say it's actually pink or fuchsia. But it is what it is. I know what it is. And it is definitely, for me watching this, it's probably time for me to redo it soon. And I will video that of me coloring my hair. But on this note, fam, y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy it. Do what you want to do. Peace, love, and happiness. See you later, fam. Okay, fam. I will call this a video and we will see you in the next one. If you're looking for something in particular, let me know and I might do a video about it. Talk to you later, fam. Enjoy.